Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The Best Kid Drone is probably one of the most exciting and educational ways for children aged 6 to 8 to learn about technology and develop crucial skills such as hand-eye coordination, spatial reasoning, and problem-solving abilities, all while having a blast. This comprehensive review will help you choose the perfect drone for your young pilot, ensuring both safety and fun. Number 5. DEERC D20 Mini Drone. It boasts a 720p HD camera with an 80 degrees wide-angle lens, capturing stunning moments. See the world from its perspective with real-time video transmission on your app. It's incredibly smart. Control it with voice commands, hand gestures, or let it follow your movements. You'll be amazed by its advanced features. Perform impressive 360 degrees flips at the push of a button. Plan its flight path on your smartphone and watch it soar. It's designed for kids and beginners. Features like headless mode, one-key start landing, and altitude hold make flying simple and fun. It's compact and fits in your hand. Safety features like an emergency stop and low-power alarm, plus propeller guards, ensure worry-free flights. 2 batteries provide up to 20 minutes of flight time, giving you extended fun. Enjoy longer adventures in the air. What we like. It boasts a high-quality camera to capture amazing moments and has voice control for easy operation, plus tons of other cool features. If you are looking for a feature-rich drone with a great camera, this is the one for you. It's perfect for kids who want to explore advanced drone technology and create stunning aerial videos. Number 4. Holy Stone HS210 Mini Drone. It's small and portable, perfect for both indoor and outdoor fun. Get ready for some amazing aerial adventures. This drone can do so much. Toss it to launch, perform 3D flips, and even fly in circles. Adjust the speed to match your skill level. It effortlessly hovers at a set height, making it super easy to control. One-key takeoff and landing add to the convenience. With 3 batteries, you get up to 21 minutes of flight time. A low battery alarm ensures you never lose it. Fly it without worrying about its direction. It's perfect for beginners and makes flying more intuitive. It's designed with safety in mind, featuring a protective guard. It's a great gift for kids, teens, and drone enthusiasts. Remember to power on and pair each drone and remote separately when using multiple drones to avoid frequency issues. What we like. This drone comes with 3 batteries, giving you extended flight time for maximum fun. The auto-hovering feature makes it super easy to control, even for beginners. If you prioritize longer flight times and ease of use, this drone is an excellent choice for your kids. What people say. It is very stable, it hovers and stays in the same position when not flying in a direction, which makes it easy to fly, particularly for young kids. It is also very resilient, the protectors around the propellers make it pretty resistant to bumps and crashes. It also comes with 3 rechargeable batteries and 4 spare propellers. The controls are fairly precise, but they take some practice. Fun to fly in the house. The headless flight mode is a good feature for beginners. It is so easy to fly. It hovers on its own and has a slow mode. It is remarkably robust for a little toy. We have had a ton of crashes and it is totally fine, hasn't missed a beat. Comes with 3 batteries and some spares, so plenty of flying time. Number 3. Holy Stone HS190 Mini Drone. Features a one-click takeoff and landing, making it super easy to control, even for kids. Plus, the 3D flips add an extra thrill to the flying experience. Altitude hold lets it hover steadily, and headless mode means directions are always relative to you. It's perfect for kids and beginners. It comes with 3 speed modes, low, medium, and high, so kids of all skill levels can enjoy flying it. The propellers are protected to keep little fingers safe, and the emergency stop function ensures a quick and safe landing. It's incredibly compact, folding into its controller for easy portability. Take it anywhere, parties, school, even hiking. This makes a fantastic gift for kids and beginners. It's fun, easy to use, and safe. We offer a 30-day warranty on the drone and a 90-day warranty on accessories. Your satisfaction is our priority. What we like. Its foldable design makes it incredibly portable, and the 3-speed settings allow kids to gradually improve their flying skills. If you need a drone that's easy to take anywhere and offers adjustable difficulty, this is a great option. It's perfect for kids who are just starting out and want a drone that grows with their abilities. What people say. This mini drone from Holy Stone is very responsive and full of features. It is perfect for kids, beginners, and anyone who just wants to have fun. It is also useful for practicing your flying skills, both indoors and outdoors. It does not take a relatively long time to charge, roughly 30 minutes, via USB or from the transmitter, and gives you 5 to 8 minutes of flying time. It has several colored LEDs on the drone body and a bright white LED in the front, which look cool and also provide a method of tracking the drone and its orientation. It has 3 speeds from which to choose. All of the features worked great from the start. The one-key takeoff and landing functions performed well. The altitude hold function worked pretty good, but the performance was improved even more by using the trimmers buttons, as described in the user manual. The high-speed rotation and flip mode are fun to try and watch. The one-key return worked as described in the manual, but you do need to be aware of the drone's position relative to you and the transmitter. Headless mode allows you to control the drone relative to the transmitter, so you do not have to be concerned about keeping the head of the drone facing away from you. This has been a great little drone for my 7-year-old grandson. He easily learned how to fly it and do the cool tricks. We love the small size and how it neatly folds and fits into the remote for storage. He's had it for a few weeks now and uses it often, and it has been very durable. Number 2. Q9s Kids Drone. It features vibrant green and blue LED lights throughout its frame, creating a stunning visual effect during flight. Enjoy 3 different lighting display modes for even more fun. Its sturdy propeller guards and high-quality ABS material protect it from crashes. This ensures safe and reliable flights for kids and beginners. 1-button takeoff and landing, 3 speed settings, and a headless mode make it incredibly easy to fly. The altitude hold feature lets it hover effortlessly. It comes with 2 batteries, doubling your playtime and the fun. Enjoy longer flights and more aerial adventures. Perform amazing 360-degree flips and auto-rotations. It's packed with features to make flying exciting and engaging for kids. What we like. This drone lights up the night sky with vibrant LED lights, making for an awesome visual experience. It's also very durable, built to withstand crashes. If your kids love bright lights and need a rugged drone that can handle some bumps, this is a great choice. It's perfect for kids who are a bit rough with their toys. What people say. The altitude hold and headless mode make it really beginner-friendly, and the controls are responsive without being overly sensitive. The propeller guards are a great safety feature, and we really appreciate the inclusion of 2 batteries to extend playtime. It's really easy to control, even for younger children, thanks to the altitude hold feature. The protective guards around the propellers are great and make me feel comfortable letting them fly it around. Number 1. DEERC V5 Mini Drone. It features vibrant neon green and blue LED lights throughout its frame, creating a powerful illuminating effect and vivid flight experience. There are even 3 different lighting display modes. This drone comes with 2 rechargeable batteries, giving you extended flight time for even more fun. It also includes spare propellers and USB charging cables. It boasts circle fly, 3 speed modes, and 360 degrees flips. You can even throw it and it will fly back in a circle like a boomerang. 1-button takeoff, landing, and return make it incredibly easy to use. 3 speed settings cater to all skill levels, and headless mode eliminates directional confusion. With 1-key takeoff, altitude hold, and headless mode, it's perfect for novices. It's so easy to fly, anyone can master it quickly. Its pocket-sized design makes it perfect for taking anywhere. The propellers are fully protected, ensuring safety for kids. What we like. With bright LED lights and 2 batteries for extended flight time, it offers a fun and exciting flying experience. It's also incredibly easy to fly, making it perfect for beginners. If you're looking for a drone that's simple to use, fun to fly, and looks great at night, this one's for you. It's a great choice for kids who want a simple yet visually appealing drone. What people say. The way the enclosure battery attachment is designed is by far the best ever, and you get 2 batteries. It is easy to learn to use, even for a beginner, and was ready to fly right after opening. The drone comes with a tiny screwdriver, 2 batteries, and 4 replacement blades. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.